Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
In a world where every drive can bring the unexpected, having a reliable dashcam in 2025 isn't just smart, it's essential. Whether you're commuting through busy city streets, hitting the highway, or just want peace of mind while your car's parked, today's dashcams offer crystal clear 4K video, 360-degree coverage, and smart features like GPS tracking, voice control, and even AI-powered alerts. In this list, we've rounded up the top-rated dashcams of 2025, trusted by thousands and tested in real-world conditions. From budget-friendly picks to premium all-in-one systems, there's a perfect dashcam here for every driver and every budget. Let's help you protect what matters most with one of these top picks, all with Amazon links for easy buying. Number 1. ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam. Drive smarter and safer with the ROVE R2 4K Pro Dashcam. Capture every moment in crisp 2160p Ultra HD at 30 FPS. Built-in GPS logs your speed and route with pinpoint accuracy. 5 GHz Wi-Fi lets you instantly view and download footage via the app. Night vision and WDR ensure clear video, even in low light. Its 150 degrees wide-angle lens and 24-hour parking mode have you covered. Reliable, sleek, and supports up to 512 gigabytes. This is protection that pays off. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. Stay protected with the Garmin Dash Cam 67W, your compact, high-tech driving companion. Capture crystal clear 1440p video with an ultra-wide 180 degrees field of view. Its discreet design tucks neatly behind your mirror, barely noticeable. Connected features let you monitor your car remotely from anywhere. Voice control keeps your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Includes a memory card so you're ready to record right out of the box. Reliable, smart, and sleek. It's the perfect set-it-and-forget-it dashcam. Number 3. Nextbase 622G Dub Dashcam. Experience the ultimate in dashcam technology with a Nextbase 622GW. Record in stunning 4K UHD at 30 FPS for razor-sharp detail on every drive. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth keep you fully connected and protected. Super slow motion at 120 FPS captures the moments others might miss. Image stabilization ensures smooth, blur-free footage, even on rough roads. With Alexa built in and What 3 Words location sharing, help is always close. Smart, powerful, and reliable, the 622GW is built for serious protection. Number 4. 70Mi. Dashcam 4K Omni plus UP05 Hardwire Kit. Upgrade your drive with the 70Mi Dashcam 4K Omni, a powerhouse of protection and innovation. Capture every angle in ultra-clear 4K with the advanced Sony IMX678 sensor. Starvis 2 Night Vision delivers crisp footage even in total darkness. With AI motion detection and 4G LTE, your car stays protected, even when you're away. Built-in ADAS and voice control keep your driving smarter and safer. Wi-Fi 6 ensures lightning-fast downloads and app control. Paired with the UP05 Hardwire kit, it's your all-in-one 24/7 security solution. Number 5. Vantrue N54 Channel Wi-Fi 360. Protect every angle with the Vantrue N54 Channel 360 Dashcam, your ultimate all-around guardian. Capture front in 2.7K and rear inside and side views in full 1080p for total coverage. Powered by Sony's Starvis 2 sensors and IR night vision for unmatched low-light clarity, built-in GPS logs speed and location, while voice control keeps things hands-free. Stay connected with dual-band Wi-Fi and enjoy effortless app access. Its 24-hour buffered parking mode watches your car even when you're not around. With support for up to 512 GB, this is complete peace of mind in one powerful device.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.